Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long-term value investor. And today I want to talk about American Express, one of the positions in my portfolio. And right now it's a little bit under 6% of my whole portfolio. And here you can see the pie of my whole portfolio. And if you're new to my channel, you find deeper analysis of all of these businesses on the playlist. You find the link here up on the screen. And today, before the market opened, American Express published their Q4 earnings. And I want to take a look with you into these numbers and then want to explain what I think about these numbers and what I will do with my position in my portfolio. American Express came out with quarterly earnings of $1.76 per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of $1.26 per share. This compares to earnings of $2.03 per share a year ago. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 39.68%. A quarter ago, it was expected that this credit card issuer and global payments company would post earnings of $1.39 per share when it actually produced earnings of $1.30, delivering a surprise of minus 6.47%. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus EPS estimate 3 times. American Express posted revenues of $9.35 billion for the quarter ended December 2020, missing the Zacks consensus estimate by 0.51%. So overall, beat the consensus estimates by a mile with the quarterly earnings. So of course, this is very positive. But the market overall don't like these numbers too much. Right now, American Express loses almost 3% to currently $117. And so the market, it seems like, is not that happy with these numbers, even if they beat their estimates. And of course, overall, American Express is very hard hit by the COVID pandemic. So their earnings over the first 3 quarters, here we just have the first 3 quarters of 2020, just declined a lot this year. This is the first quarter 2020, second and third. And then now, of course, the fourth quarter with the $1.76. And so overall, a big decline. Overall, I have 40 shares in my portfolio, and basically I bought them in April. My purchase price in average is $87.50. You can see this here. So overall, my absolute gains are $1,243 right now, or 35%. And so I'm quite happy with my investment so far. If we think about and hopefully this pandemic situation will not last forever, and at some point we come back to an almost normal world with traveling, with spending and so on, then the intrinsic value is, in my calculation, around $130. And so we are a little bit under that, not too much. And so I will just stick with my position and just follow that because American Express overall have a great business model, is a great company, very solid company. And so I want to hold this company for the long term, and hopefully in last April here I had a good starting point to invest. I will just keep my position and then we will see how this will go on. And so right now, of course, very difficult times for American Express, not just, but also for American Express. And so we see this big decline in the earnings. But over time, everything will be fine because the business and the company are just solid and also solid for the long term. And so we just need a little bit patience, and then the world will come back to normal. And also the earnings of American Express will rise again. I'm very sure, very certain about that. And so American Express is kind of basic investment for me. So that's it for today. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And then we will see the next time with the analysis of another stock. See you then. Take care. Bye bye.